Welcome back to another walk around and test drive at Coyote Classics. Today we're checking out something that you haven't seen before on our channel. This is a 1931 Ford Model A pickup. It's cute as a button too.
Cute as a button.
It's just a really neat truck. Runs great. And what's neat about this one is just restored it just like it would be in 1931. You know, no one ever did anything crazy with it.
Do you know this is 93 years old?
That's crazy.
I'm gonna turn up the idle just a little bit.
It's really neat. We had Grandpa was excited to come down and show us about all the different levers and switches. And
yeah, he loves these things.
Yeah, he does.
Well, I grew up in the back of a 1931 Model A Roadster.
That's
Me and my sister in the rumble seat.
Jimmy'd always drive one around.
Oh God, we had quite a few memories with Jimmy in the Roadster.
That's awesome. Yeah, runs like
great.
Top.
Yeah, the VIN number and stuff's all stamped there, the body number and all that. Good looking car. It really is. When I took this on trade, I mean, he took me for a ride in it, traded in on a muscle car, and I'll tell you what, we took it down the road 40, 45 mile an hour. It handled the road great. So me and Dalton will take you guys through town on this 31 Model A today and come back through the highway. I don't know if Dalton's ready for that.
I hope we can both fit in there.
We'll fit. We'll fit. All right, so completely restored, okay? Metal fenders. You thought they were fiberglass?
No, I didn't say no.
Oh.
I just tapped on them, didn't give you an answer.
That's what's awesome. I mean, metal fenders. So many times they do these in fiberglass because they're easier to get, but just gorgeous black metal fenders. The restoration quality on this is definitely probably better than it was new. Mm-hmm. It looks nice inside and out. It's just not our kind of cup of tea, you know, as far as, you know, we don't do a lot of Model A's and 40s cars anymore. So even though this is super nice, we're going to price it reasonable and give someone a good deal on it.
Bed's beautiful.
Yeah, it is. I like that the nice wood touch in it.
It's kind of crazy to think, you know, how old this is. Well, still pick up
93 years
93
old.
years. That's awesome.
The handles are a little worn. If a guy wanted to get those a little better, you could. As far as the paint on them. The chrome. Door panels are nice. Dash is nice. Headliner looks good. On the back window. It's even got the little pouch here. It's pretty cool. Looks like the Model A. It's got a little Model A specification. Look at that. Model A passenger car, engine, chassis, manual comes with the car, and it's just hiding right back in there in the little pouch. Your starter buttons down there. It's your hand throttle. Your brake. Your choke.
It's funny to think that these weren't too far from a horse and buggy back in the day. You know, if you look at the 1931 to when they were just horse and buggies, probably 20 years.
Yeah, it's a gorgeous truck. I love the spare side mount. Whoever gets this is just going to be super happy with it if that's what they're looking for. And what I said in the ad is don't buy one for 10, 12 that needs total restoration.
Because good luck
you can
finding
spend another 15, 16, 10, whatever, and get a nice one, right?
Like I said, good luck finding, you know, even the metal fenders for it, or just the little things.
That's super clean. I like the pastel yellow too.
I do
I think
too.
it's a great color combination. I seen a red one out there for sale, a green one, and a black one. That was it. No yellow ones.
I like the yellow.
I like the yellow and blue. I'll take a black one. You know, they're nice too. So we're gonna try her. We'll try to get in this jalopy.
The other neat thing is the, you know, even just the glass and stuff on them is really clean.
It's got air conditioning. Right here. Want to try it?
Let's try it.
Okay. Dad taught me this years and years ago. So you loosen that, push it out,
Tighten her again.
Yeah. Oh, look at old Grandpa. We should let Grandpa drive this around for.
We should. He'd really
so.
like it.
He would. All right.
All right, we're in here.
We're in. First, turn the key on. Okay. Might have to pull that choke. She's good. Look at her. So we got our spark advance up on the left side. All right. Here's your throttle.
And now when we get ready to go, then we'll bring the spark advance down.
Here's your lights. I'm kind of disappointed when it came in, the horn was working, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was.
What the hell? I don't know. Not now. Something must have come on home. All right. So we're ready to cruise this baby. Once we get
Parking
going.
brake might be on.
Did you do it?
Jimmy did.
Oh.
And we're off, just
Did
like
you get
that.
pictures of both sides of it?
I pictured, set it one way and pictured both sides.
What? Look at this. We're on a hillside. We're just fine with it. That's what we got this in, we did a quick check-in because it was so damn nice. I mean, it's just the way, we're selling it this way it is. It's great.
Yeah.
The amp gauge works. Speedometer does not, but who gives a crap? You're not going to get picked up for speeding.
No, I don't think you can speed in this thing. This is unique as hell.
Look at this thing, man. Rearview mirror in here, add-on. Are you happy in here?
I'm happy, I like it. This is just kind of neat too, the old wooden bows.
Freaking cool. And look how it drives. I mean, seriously, the suspension's good too.
Yeah.
Wonder if we got brakes.
I think we do, I trust it.
Cruise control.
Yeah. But that's kind of neat too, even just the suspension on these and the, it's all mechanical brakes.
And it's actually good.
Yeah.
I mean, it rides awesome. Wish the horn worked.
I know. It did before. I know it, Dix. You're honking it.
This might be a good one to put in the homecoming parade tomorrow.
It would be. I just gotta find somebody, find a
Grandpa
somebody
Jim will
willing
drive
to.
it.
Oh, he'd love to drive it.
Here's our brakes. You just want soft, perfect, straight. You want somebody to know you're coming behind
Yep.
them. So it's just got a little bit of a
Little
noise
squeak
there.
to it, but that way you you don't sneak up on him.
No, there's no reason to sneak up. I don't know what it is, but they are the mechanical brakes. So that was the only thing I noticed too when we took it for a drive with him. Look how nice that went into gear. If you have the clutch all the way in, it goes into gear beautifully.
That's awesome. It's pretty neat.
It's comfortable.
Yeah. Drives good. There's not really much else to say about the old thing.
Just look how nice it goes down the road, man. Feels like we're flying right now.
It does. It feels like you're going really fast. I don't think we are.
We drove a lot of cars, but this really feels like we're doing like 100.
It does. Even that big bump, it handled it just fine. Yeah. It's ready.
We've done 100 in some Chevelles, and you're not nervous at all.
No.
We're doing 35 in this, and it feels like we're going 100.
It does. It's just different.
Oh, it's awesome, man. What a fun car.
Very fun. Check it out on our website, coyoteclassics.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next test drive.